time for baby's first dove hunt. And Abigail here, baby's first dove hunt. And Abigail here hasn't done a lot of hunting, hasn't been around a lot of shooting before, so she doesn't have the ear protection, but we're gonna fix that. Now, y'all have heard me talk about Decibullz quite often over the last few years, and so I already have my earplugs, but we gotta make them for her. So get ready for me to shove some stuff in your ears. So this is what's cool, is that they're custom moldable at home. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it in some hot water. So after it's like super freaking hot, you're gonna dump these in there. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Don't judge me. I'm about to just shove some stuff in there, okay? So it's still warm. It's gonna feel weird, okay? So I just kind of smushed it in there and then it molded to her ear. Now we let it dry, okay? We're gonna do the other one. Okay, second one is in. We gotta let them harden up now. Once they're dry, we stick these little percussive filters in this hole right here. You can see it right there. We'll stick that in and it allows you to kind of hear what's going on around you. But then when something that's a high decibel goes off, like a gun, like we're about to be out dove hunting, it protects your ears. And they come with all different sizes for your earbuds, which is good for me. I have pretty small ear holes, and you do too, by the way. I don't know if you knew that about yourself. Just like that. Did you know you're gonna be an ear model? Okay, can you hear me? Yes. You just heard that? See, she can hear me, but she's got earplugs in. But if we went boom right now, ears be protected. Boom! Thank you, Nate. Appreciate that.